travel activities for your kiddo. We have here the color patterns na lalagyan nila ng lines and then kakopyahin nila yung mga patterns na nasa flashcards. Meron siyang pinaka-worksheets. Doon niya isusulat. And then, erasable ito. High quality laminated and erasable. May kasama ng marker. Ayan, diba? Ganyan. Gagawin nyo, kokopyahin. And marami pa yan. Pwede yan pang-aliw ninyo kapag nasa travel. Halimbawa, waiting area or eating kaysa laging nasa gadgets. Kung naglaless kayo ng gadgets ngayon, need na mag-less gadgets. Yan, meron din kami ng shadow clipping. This one naman, Korean alphabet. Yung mga gusto mag-aral ng Korean, we have Korean alphabet. This one naman po, yung line tracing, pwede rin tong isama kapag nasa travel. Kasi write and erase siya, kahit paulit-ulit gamitin, pwede. Best for toddlers. And we have here the opposites flashcards. Marami pa kaming flashcards, kaya